Alofa Lava, and welcome to the fifth and final lesson of Module 1 of the Pacific Environment Data Portal Learning Package. This module will guide you through the data approval process of the data portal. In the previous module, you learned about good data management and the use of the Environment Data Portal. You also learned how to keep consistency and good data maintenance practices of the portal, making it easier for users to find and share data. Also avoiding double data, grouping your data resources, using meaningful titles, and the importance of tagging and metadata. By the end of this module, you are expected to better understand the data approval process, license levels available for sharing data, and the importance of having a data sharing protocol, policy, or just a mechanism in place that works for your country. And without further delay, let's begin with this final module of the Pacific Environment Data Portal Learning Package. Before you upload any data or information to the portal, you should first ensure that the data you're about to upload can be shared with the public, is only for people in your group, or is private. Understanding the level of privacy you wish the information you are about to upload allows you to determine which of the three license levels are more appropriate to apply before you upload and share. Secondly, in some countries, there are already data policies in place to guide data sharing. You must check to ensure that sensitive data should not be compromised. Third, you should seek approval from the portal site manager to be notified once the data is uploaded onto the portal. Finally, and once you are sure of the license level, provision of an existing data sharing policy applicable, and the portal site manager has been notified, you can now proceed with the upload. As covered in previous modules, there are three license levels that determine your target audience. Regardless whether it is a public, shared, or private data, the name of the dataset and its descriptive metadata can be publicly viewed and available. However, access to the actual resource is restricted using the license options. Number 1, public license. Even if they are not logged into the portal, the public will be able to see and download the resources in your dataset. 2, shared. Resources in the dataset are visible to the people in different groups on the portal. 3, private. Here, resources are visible to those within your specified group. So why do we need a data sharing policy? A data sharing policy is important to encourage free exchange of data within an organization or ministry and within the public, and ensure sensitive information is not compromised. After all, data is a valuable resource in the Pacific. The Secretariat, in its leadership role in adequately managing environmental data for the benefit of the Pacific, has an organizational data sharing policy that can be used as an example for your country. You can find SPREP's organizational data sharing policy on this link, which also applies to SPREP's own data as well as data held by SPREP. In summary, today you learned data management good practices, including understanding the approval process before uploading data on the portal, understanding license levels for sharing data, understanding the importance of having a data sharing agreement and/or policy. And this concludes our module of the Pacific Environment's Data Portal. Thank you so much for your attention and see you in Module 2.